Hello and welcome everyone. It's your girl Cassandra back with yet another hair tutorial / review video. And for today's video, this video is sponsored by a company called Elva Hair. I'm going to link all of the information down in the description box below as always, along with all the tools that I use also. So today's video is going to be different. I'm going to be showing you guys the wig, what comes inside the packaging, all that fun jazz first. And then I'm actually going to pan out to another video of me installing this wig on Aaliyah's hair. I actually installed this I actually installed this hair at Anthony Cut's house, so shout out to you for letting me record and use your studio space. Really appreciate that. And Aaliyah actually helped me color this wig, so there's a lot of new things in this video, but yeah. Anyway, this is a 12-inch blonde unit. The wig code is W363. I'm going to add that in the description box just because I don't want anybody to get confused. They do have some deals going on. If you order 2 wigs, you can get 10% off. Make sure to follow them on Instagram, all that good jazz. So let's get into this hair color. This is what you guys will need. We're gonna do simple. I just want to tone this blonde a little bit. So I'm just going in. You want to make sure you have your brushes, your bowl, your combs. Make sure you have enough brushes in case you drop one, keep it moving. You don't want to pick up anything dirty that you drop on the floor and use it. So always make sure I have too many brushes, too many combs, extra bowls, all that good jazz. And I am going to use T27 to tone this unit. So I didn't realize that my camera had died. So this is actually after I poured one of the whole containers of the T27. So in each bowl there's one T27, so it's actually two T27s if I can speak. And I just used a 20 volume and mixed it. It stunk, guys. It smelled like eggs. So you just want to mix it and just apply this all over the wig. And then when I got done, I just squished the wig, put it inside of a plastic bag, and let it process for about 5 minutes, which is what you see me doing here. So this is how the wig is looking after she's freshly washed and rinsed out. And you see it's just this really pretty, like, blonde, very neutral, very, like, kind of ashy blonde, I'll say. And yeah, this is how it looks when it's blow dry. So I'm just going in, playing around with it, kind of see how I want to style it on her. Because as always, I never know what I'm going to do until I'm actually doing it on Aaliyah. This is just one of the things that we deal with. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys how it looks freshly blow dried. And this hair took so well. I've never used a T27 toner before. This is my first time, but everybody always uses T18 and T35, and I was just looking at that same blonde over and over. So I decided to just try something different. So here I have the unit. I'm just placing it on Aaliyah's head, trying to see where I want it to lay. And I am going to go in and pluck this unit on her head. It didn't need to be plucked too much, so I went ahead. I can't remember if I did it off camera or on camera, but the unit is plucked. And I'm just going in with this flat iron to make sure that it's laying where I want it to. So that way I can kind of get a better idea of where it's going to lay on her scalp. So I do apologize. I do realize that I did not include me plucking this unit, but there's several videos of me plucking units, and I just did the same shit that I do on all those other videos. So here I am just taking my shears and I'm just cutting off the lace. And this is a completely glueless install that I'm doing. This will actually be my second time ever trying this glueless install technique. The one that you guys saw about a year and a half ago, that was the technique that I created on my own, but I just like this technique a little bit better because it doesn't show any of the lace and it stays sturdy, but you don't have to do as much baby hair and stuff to try to finesse to make it lay. So right now I'm just cutting the lace off. I'm going to measure around her head, but this is completely glueless. The only thing I'm going to use to install this unit is the Mazzani foam wrap. Or not Mazzani, I'm so sorry. I'm going to use the Nairobi foam wrap, the blue Nairobi, and you'll see me on that too. So here I'm just using an angle brush, and I'm just going to put a little bit of concealer on her part just to help blend that a little bit better. And then you're going to see me going in. I'm going to have her hold down some of the baby hairs in the front, and we're going to start creating her little baby hair realness. I know that I wanted to do something more like with body, Marilyn Monroe feeling-ish, not exactly, but like business casual. So I let her wear this straight for about 10 minutes, but then I was like, I want to curl this and just dice it up and just do something different. So I thought this install was decent, but I could have definitely like finessed it or tweaked it differently. But that's just a part of being a stylist and a creator. I just like to try new stuff sometimes. And sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Aaliyah's gorgeous, so it always works on her. But as a stylist, you know when you've done your best and when you haven't. This, I'll say it was like a 7 out of 10. It wasn't terrible, but I definitely could have tweaked it a little bit better. So here you see me just putting some foam wrap on. I'm just molding this. When I do the baby hair, I like to do like a baby hair outline first. So I'm going to mold it really crazy, really swivelly, swoopy, wig looking. But then when I'm done, I'm just going to take a spoolie and brush out those soft hairs so that way they're not crunchy and stuck on her forehead. You want to brush them out so they're soft. And then you also want to go in with your tweezers and pluck them, and then also use your shears to thin them out. So I actually will have a video coming out on this, but this is how it looks when I first take the wrap off, and I'm just going to go in and tweak it a little bit because her baby hairs are just a little too husky for me. But overall, this is the gist. And then I'm just going to go in and tweak it a little bit more, and we are going to come back with the final result. Please comment down below if you like this video, if you like this hair. This is my first time using Elva Hair Company, but it probably won't be my last. The hair was super affordable. A lot of times the blonde, the lace isn't the way you want it to be, or the parting isn't the way that you want it to be. This lace was actually perfect. So if you want to do something quick, I would definitely recommend ordering this hair. It's a cute little weekend move, weekend vibe. So here I am just going in. I'm cutting Aaliyah's hair. Like I said, I was just freestyling with this. No like initial goal in mind. I kind of would just like, let me cut this up and see where it goes. And now I'm looking at this video, I wish I would have left it straight, but it looked bomb curly too. But I didn't realize how much I liked it. And Anthony over here checking out my work, he looking like, what you doing over here? Because honey, she's glueless. It was Anthony approved, honey, and as long as it's Anthony approved, that's all that matters. Okay. Aaliyah and Anthony approved. So yeah, I'm just going in, adding a couple body curls with my flat irons that are launching soon, but I'm having some technical difficulties, but I will fill you guys in on that later. And I liked how this side looked, but I wanted to add a little bit more body to the other side. So I did curl it and added some more layers by cutting it. And this is pretty much the gist of the hair. I know I was rambling, but I know some of you guys like when I ramble and some of you guys don't. So I'm just going to do what I want to do. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. As always, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and follow me on YouTube. I'm going to link Aaliyah's YouTube channel down below also. And we will see you guys in the next video. Side note, I also did Aaliyah's makeup for this video, but I might just do a whole separate video because I didn't want this one to be super long. But yeah, hair and makeup by yours truly. And we will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below if you like this blonde wig or if you think that we should stick to our brown and darker colors. Thank you guys so much for watching again. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. I'm outie.